What if I told you the easiest scale in the piano has 5 black keys? Welcome to Living Pianos. Robert Estrin here with something that might change the way you practice scales, because the easiest scale on the piano is not what you think it is. I know, everyone thinks C major is the easiest scale. No sharps, no flats, just the white keys. How could it get any easier than that? I did a video a few years ago asking what is the most difficult scale on the piano, and the answer surprised a lot of folks. It's C major. Now you might think, Robert, that sounds perfectly fine. And it does. But here's the thing. Those black keys you see between the white keys, they're not just decoration. They're a guide. Your fingers feel them. They tell your hands where they are on the keyboard without you even looking. C major, there's no guide, just an ocean of white keys, all the same width, all the same height. Your thumb has to find its way by memory alone. And that's why C major is actually one of the hardest scales to play cleanly and securely. Would you believe that D flat major with 5 flats is the easiest scale? It resonates. Now listen to that. 5 black keys, only the thumbs play white keys on C and F, and here's the secret. It has what's called mirror fingering. What does that mean? Your thumbs in both hands play on the exact same notes. Left-hand thumb on F, right-hand thumb on F. Left-hand thumb on C, right-hand thumb on C. Your hands are mirrors of each other. You see the symmetry? Both hands doing the same thing at the same time. No competing fingering patterns. No left hand doing one thing while the right hand does another. Just mirror images of each other. Now you might be wondering, if this is so much easier, why isn't it in Hanon? Hanon, the virtuoso pianist, that's the book the vast majority of pianists use as their guide for scale and arpeggio fingering. 60 exercises. It's been the standard for over a century, and yet mirror fingering isn't in there. There's an entire alternative system of fingering that Hanon doesn't mention, an entire way of playing scales where the thumbs always match in both hands, and it's called mirror fingering. And most pianists have never even heard of it. Now, there are other scales with mirror fingering, A flat major and G flat major. But what makes D flat major simpler is that while both thumbs play white keys, all the other fingers play black keys. A flat major isn't that simple. Now, G flat major does have both mirror fingering and only the thumbs play white keys. However, the thumbs play after a half step the first time and after a whole step the second time, adding to you must adjust your thumb each time. Let me demonstrate this for you. After the B flat, you go up a half step, but after the E flat, you go up a whole step. So you have to remember to be close here and further here. This definitely complicates things. So that's where D flat major pulls way ahead, and you're going to feel this the moment you try it. Notice in the D flat major scale the consistency of how the thumbs play. You got a whole step here and a whole step here. It makes it so much easier. It's the easiest scale to learn and the easiest scale to play. Now, there's a real challenge with minor scales. The harmonic form, there's a larger interval between the 6th and 7th notes. Instead of all half steps and whole steps, as in major scales, there's a step and a half, 3 half steps between the 6th and 7th notes. You see that? You've got that big interval there. The rest of them are all half steps and whole steps. And that definitely complicates things. While the melodic minor is all half steps and whole steps, the notes are different going up as they are descending. So it adds another level of complexity. Let me show you a melodic minor scale. You notice the F sharp and the G sharp going up. But coming down, all natural. So it definitely adds a level of complexity. Now, I'm not telling you to abandon the standard fingering. There's real value in learning the conventional way, especially if you're working with teachers, preparing for exams, or building technique that connects to the broader repertoire. But here's what I'd suggest. Try it. Try playing the D-flat major scale with its natural mirror fingering and feel what it's like when both hands work together instead of against each other. And you will not believe the difference. And I'm really interested in your experience. Have you ever used mirror fingering, or did you ever notice how the D-flat major and some other scales, the thumbs play on the same keys? And does it make it easier for you? I mean, did you even know this existed? Let us know in the comments here at livingpianos.com and on YouTube. And if any of you play your scales and arpeggios with mirror fingering, we want to hear from you. So, the easiest scale on the piano isn't C major. It's the one with 5 black keys, D-flat major, because of the mirror fingering. Both hands are doing the same thing. It's smooth, it's natural, and it's sitting right there on your keyboard, waiting for you to try it out. I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store.